Welcome everyone to this short presentation about the layout and features of our new and improved laboratory report. We will quickly review the changes so that you are familiar with the new report style. So why did we decide to change our old report? Some reports were quite lengthy when many samples were in the project. So we wanted to condense the report to generate less pages, which means less paper and less ink if printed. And even in electronic format with less pages, the file size is smaller too. We also wanted to make sure the report was more user-friendly by adding or moving a few pieces of information around if it made more sense in a different location on the report. And finally, we wanted to incorporate some new features like our QR code and the web address of our customer satisfaction survey. So now let's see a few comparisons and examples. This is the front page of a report for a project that includes organics analysis. The sample information is the main change on this page. There's more information about the samples and the layout is condensed. The report number is at the top of the page. Our contact information has been updated. There is a QR code you can scan at the top to go to the laboratory website. The customer address, project summary section, authorizing signature, and sample summary section are still located on this front page, but may include additional information or layout updates. There is also a web address for our customer satisfaction survey at the bottom of the page. This is the second page of the same report. It is a sample test and result page. For the new report style on the right, the top section for sample information is smaller. Most of the sample information is now on the first page of the report in the sample summary, so there is less space taken up for sample information here. More results can now be displayed on this new report page. The old report only displayed one sample's results per test page. As you can see, this old report has an additional page for the same amount of results. This is the next page in the same report, but for a trip blank sample, which is now more apparent on the new report, with the sample location displaying trip blank at the top. This is the last page of this report for the same project. The new report style has 3 pages. The old report style had 5. Here is an example of a report for a bacteria test, but we can also see a new feature, which is the canceled sample summary. It will tell you which samples from the project were canceled and have some information as to why they were canceled. There are many reasons a sample might be canceled, especially for compliance. Previously, canceled samples did not display on the report as they had no results in most cases. In this case, 2 of the samples were not submitted, so they were canceled. And here is the second page of the report with the sample results. However, on the old format, only 1 sample is displayed per page. The new format report on the right only has 2 pages for the entire report. The old format has an additional page for the second sample results. And finally, this report is a great example of the new consolidated layout. This routine chemical panel report went from 6 pages to 3. And for even larger reports, there will be an even greater page reduction depending on the number of results and the samples in the project. If you have any questions about our report, please send us an email at selsd@deq.ok.gov or call us at 405-702-1000 and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you.